Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the nested if else statement available in the C program. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, nested if else statement. This is one of the if statement, control statement. There are 4 or 5 types of control statement available: if statement, if else statement, then nested if else ladder. In this video, we will see the nested if else statement. When a series of decisions are involved, we may have more than one if else statement in the nested form. Suppose we are having the n number of decision, more than one decision, then we need to go with the if else statements are in a series form, that is nested form, added together. More than one if else statements are given. Then it is called a nested if else statement. Now we'll see the general format for the nested if else statement. So we already discussed that there are more than one test condition. Let us consider we have two test conditions, right? In this we are having two test condition. We can have n number of test condition. In this format we'll consider two test condition. So if test condition 1, so the test condition 1 is verified here. Suppose if this test condition is true, it will go to the next statement. Again we have one more test condition. That's why we called the series of decision. More than one decision we need to take. Here one more test condition is available. Test condition 2. Right. Suppose this test condition 2 is true, means the statement 1 will be executed. That is, the statements available between the braces will be executed. Suppose this test condition 2 is false, then it will go to the else statement available immediately. Right. Then statement 2, that is set of statements available between the opening and closing braces, will be executed. Right. So first we are verifying test condition 1. If it is true, it will go to the test condition 2. Test condition 2 also true, means it will verify the statement, it will execute the statement 1, that is set of statement available in the braces. Suppose this test condition 2 is false, means it will go to the else part. There another set of statement, let us consider statement 2 is available. That statements will be executed. Right. Suppose if the test condition 1 itself false, then it will go to the else available in the outer loop. Right. This else is available for test condition 2. This else is available for test condition 1. So this test condition 1 available between this opening brace and closing brace. Right. Within that we have one more test condition. Right. Suppose the test condition 1 is false, then it will go to the else part. Right. So there we have statement 3. This set of statements will be executed. Right. Statement 3 or set of statement available between these braces will be executed. After that, the statement X is a normal statement. Normal flow of program will be executed. Right. So in this program, in this syntax, we used the two test condition. If the two test conditions are verified one by one, both are true, means statement 1 will be executed. Test condition 1 true and 2 is false, means statement 2 will be executed. Test condition 1 itself false, means directly it will go to the else part and statement 3 will be executed. Right. So we are verifying more than one condition in a series. That's why it is called a nested if statement. Now we'll see the one example program. Greatest between three numbers. There are three numbers available. We need to identify which number is greatest. Let us consider integer a, b, c. Three numbers a, b, c are the three numbers. After clear screen, we ask the user enter three numbers. We ask the user to enter three numbers. Then that is given by the printf statement. Printf statement is the output statement. It will print on the monitor. Scanf, it is used to read the data from the user through the keyboard. Right. %d. So we are going to read the three numbers a, b, c. So 3 times %d is available. %d refers, it is a integer type. Floating point mean %f. Character mean %c. Here we are using integer, so that %d. And a, comma, and b, comma, and c. This and symbol refer the address. So it will refer the address of A, address of B and address of C. So we declared three variables. After clear screen, we ask the user to enter the three variables. The three variables are entered by the user, that is scanned by the scanf function, stored in the variable A, B, C. Now three variables are available, A, B, C. Right. Now we'll check this condition one by one. Right. First, if A greater than B, that is what is the meaning? A is greater, B is smaller. If it is true, if it is true means A is greater, B is smaller. Then, but we need to check three numbers. There is one more number is available, right? So this condition is true means we are open the brace. It will go inside. Here we have one more condition because A and B is verified. Now we need to verify the A with C, right? After this, if this condition is true means it is A is greater. But we need to check whether the A is greater than C. A is greater than B is verified. We need to check whether A is greater than C. Suppose this condition also true. What is the meaning? A is greater than C as well as A is greater than B also. So that A is the greatest number. Print of the largest number is percentage D A. Right? A is the greatest number. Right? So first we verified if A greater than B. If this condition is true, we open the brace. Inside we have one more condition, A greater than C. Right? In both are true means it is clear A is greater than C as well as greater than B, so that we can print A is the largest number. Right? Suppose this condition is false. What is the meaning? C is the greater. Right? This A is already greater than B, but that A is smaller than C. The C is greater than this A. So definitely the C is the greatest number. So this else part for this second if, this is the else part. So what we are doing, print of the largest number is C. Right? So when the second condition is false, automatically this A is smaller and C is bigger. A is already smaller, A is already greater than the B. Now C is which is greater than A itself. So A is already greater than B, that is C is greater than A. So definitely C is the greatest number. Right. So we close this brace and we can close this brace for this if condition. First if condition, this brace is closed. Right. Suppose this first condition itself false, if A greater than B. When it is false, A is lesser and B is greater mean automatically this condition will be false. So that it will go to the else part. It is available outer side. Else equal to if. Here we need to check one more condition. Here it is clear that B is the greatest number, A is smaller. But we need to check whether B is greater than C or less than C. Right? B should be verified with the C now, because here it is clear B is greater when it is false. The same B, whether it is greater than C or less than, should be verified. So here we are using one more if condition. Right? So first one if condition, inside one more if condition. For that, this is the else part. After this else part, we are closing the brace for this first if condition. If it is false, it will go outside else part. Now here open one more if condition. If B is greater than C. Now we need to verify. If this condition is true, A is the greater. If the condition is false, C is the greater. Right? Now we need to print that statement. Now we'll go to the statement. So for the next if condition, if B greater than C, that this condition is true means B is the greatest number. The largest number is B, percentage D, we printed B. Suppose that condition is false, that is if B greater than C false mean automatically C is the greatest number. So print of the largest number is percentage is, that is nothing but C. Right? So after get CH we can close the program. Right? So in this we discuss the nested if, checking more than one if condition continuously. If condition, again one more if condition, again one more if condition. After that only we can take the decision. This is in the nested form. Right? We solve the example program. Biggest of three numbers. First number is verified with the second. Then first number is verified with the third number. If both are equal mean first number is greater, otherwise third number is greater. Then we can check second and third number. In that this condition is true means second number is biggest, otherwise third number is the biggest. We solved the one program biggest of 3 number also. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.